How to lock iPhone screen for tracing. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the General section as shown and tap on Guided Access. On this page, turn on the toggle switch for guided access and also enable the accessibility shortcut. Now, go back to the home screen and open the Safari app and triple-click on the power button to start a session. Tap on Start at the top right, then set a passcode to secure the session. Then, verify your new passcode. Now, you can start the guide access. To exit, triple-click the side button again and enter your passcode. In the top left corner, tap on End to stop the session. Following these steps, you can easily lock iPhone screen for tracing. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.